Today we are going to do lesson number 3 vowel sound A on worksheet. So let's go for the first question. Choose the correct picture for the given word. So this is word cap and these are some picture hat, cap, can and cat. So cap, for cap, cap, this one, the picture of cap is the correct answer. This is van, van, van. This is car, way, this is van, and this is a pan. So van, van, this is van is the correct option. Second one is choose the correct word for the given picture. So this is a picture of jar and these are some words: pa, pan, tag, jar. So jar, jar, for the jar is a correct answer. So this one is a rat. So rag, rag, rat, rat, cap, cap, and cat, cat. So this one is rat. Rat, rat is the correct answer. Next one is number 3. Choose the correct option and fill in the blank. So MA dash, and for this these are some letters L, G, T and H, and this is mat. So picture of mat is there. So MAT, T is the correct option. So we have chosen that. TA dash, so this is a tag. For that P, G, B and T are the options. So TAG, tag, G is the correct option. So next is match the words with picture. It is a picture of a bag and some words are given, and these are 4 pictures and these are some words. So let's match them. BAT, bad. So this one is bad. Let's match it. The next one is FAN, fan. So where is fan? So this one is fan. Let's match it with fan. So this is BAG, bag. Let's match it with the bag. So this is HAT, hat, and we have matched it with the picture of hat. Next one is choose the pair not having the same words. So these are some words: ray, ray. Choose the pair not having the same words. So we are going to choose which are not same words. So sap, sap, dam, dam. So these 3 are same, and rag and tag are different words. So we have chosen rag and tag, which is not same. So next one is choose the rhyming words for the given words. So these are some words: pan, lap, pa, and jar. So we need to find out the letters in these words which make them rhyme. So FAR, far, will match with JAR, jar. So last 2 letters makes it a rhyming match. Far and jar are rhyming words. So SAW, sa, AW, in these uppercase we will see PAW, pa, and for sa, pa is a rhyming match. So TA and tan, here A and N is a rhyming key letter for tan. So GAP, gap, LAP, lap. LAP in gap and lap make them rhyming words. So we have completed all the rhyming words here. Next one is arrange the letters to make correct word for the given picture. So this is a picture of a fat man and here is a TFA. We are going to rearrange TFA for a correct word for a fat man. So FAT, fat, is a correct rearranged form of TFA, and here is you can see it is a dam and these are some electric pole behind. So DMA, Dhamma, will make no sense and we are going to rearrange it to DAM, dam. So dam is a correct rearranged word. So here we go for the next. Choose correct word for the picture. So clay, gate, bake, ball, cake and wall are the words, and this is ball. We will choose bal, ball. We will write down ball in this box, ball, ball. So this is a cake, so we are going to choose cake, cake, and going to write here cake, cake. Next one is wall. So this is a wall of brick. Let's see where is wall. So wall, wall is written in the green oval shape. So wall, wall. So this is a gate. So here is gate, gate, gate. We are going to write in this box gate, gate. Next one is write words at proper place. So this is a box. Some words are written in this, and this is ag, egg, and am. So these are two rhyming keywords to be chosen from this box. So we are going to write the words with ag first. So ag, bag, bag we have written here, and let's look for the other one. ag, lag, lag. So we can also write lag, lag under this ag. So pad, may, dam. Let's start looking for am, ja, pen, set, jam. Jam, jam is the right choice. So let's look for another word. App, r, pod, pad, may, dam. Dam, dam, ending with the same rhyming key we have written here. Next one is join the letter with ending pattern. Make words. So P, R, L, and S are written here, and A, N, and ag are rhyming pattern. P, A, W will make pa, and P, A, Y will make pay, and P, A, N will make it pan. So next one is R. R, A, W, raw. R-A-Y, ray. R-A-N, ran. L-A-W, law. L-A-W, law. L-A-Y, lay. L-A-G, lag. Next one is S-A-W, saw. S-A-W, saw. S-A-Y, say. S-A-N, san. One is write praise for the given pictures using and. So this is a picture of cat and rat. Let's write C-A-T, cat, and A-N-D, and R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. So next one is hat and cap. Let's write hat and cap. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat, A-N-D, and C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Next one is choose the correct pair. So this is a bat, bats. So there are two bats, and this one is mat, and there are two mats, but mat is written. So correct pair is bats, which makes it a plural. Next question is fill in the blanks using A and E. So A and E we are going to fill in these blanks. So this is a cake. So C, A, K, E are the correct spellings. So this one is a gate. G, A, T, E, gate. So we have chosen A. This is a plate. So P, L, A, T, E, plate. And next one is a well. So W-E-L-L will make it well. So E is a correct option. Next is choose the correct phrase for the given pictures and write in cursive writing. So these are some phrases written here, and these are some pictures. We are going to relate these pictures with these phrases and going to write in cursive in under these pictures. So this one is a man ran, a man, man, ran, ran. A man ran is a correct option for a phrase. And this one is a sad man. So a sad man, a sad, 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 a man, man, a sad man. Next one is, look at this picture. This is a fat cat. So fat cat is running here. A fat cat ran. So a fat, fat, cat, cat, and ran. A fat cat ran. Next one is a fat man is sitting here. So a fat man sat. We are going to write here in cursive writing, a fat man sat. Next one is encircle the words in the grid and write in the given space. So space is given under this grid, and we are going to choose some of the letters which are making some words, and let's start with first column. So in first column, man, man we have found here, and we have encircled it, and now we are going to write in this given space, man, man. So let's look for the word in next column. So while looking for a word in these letters, you must be alert, and then you will find some. So there is, I think, no another letter in these columns. Let's look for the words in the rows now. So R, D, M, O, E. So let's keep looking for the words. And RAT rat. So RAT rat we have seen and encircled it. Now we are going to write RAT rat. Tag go and sleeve BAD bad. So BAD bad is another word. So we have encircled it and are going to write here in the given space, BAD bad. Okay. So I think there's no another word in these rows also. Let's look for the words in cross manners. Let's start it from this corner. Detto, bag, bag, BAG bag. So we have encircled it, and now we are going to write here in the given space, BAG bag. So let's go for the next. You may find another words than I have chosen here. So you can also write those in this given space. So pat I have written here, deoxy, read, fur, fur. So fur is a word we are going to write here, and then red red. So red red I have encircled here, and now going to write in the given space, red red. A and S makes as, so I am going to write here as, and also A and N is there, so A and N can also be written here. You may choose another words other than I have chosen, so keep looking for that. Next one is color the shapes having ending pattern 8. So let's look for the pattern 8 here in the words GAT, gate. So we have chosen it. Tall, A, late, LATE, late. So we have chosen late, date. Play, call, game, take, hate, ATE, 8. So we have also chosen hate and rate. So now we are going to color these chosen boxes. I am going to fill colors with lighter shades in these boxes. You may choose the color of your own choice. First fill at the corners and then fill inside. So I have chosen different colors for the different boxes. You may choose any color. Next one is complete the series. So this is pay, lay, and some blanks are given ahead. So pay, pay, lay, lay. So these words ends with pattern, a rhyming pattern a. So we are going to write words with a ending, day, day, way, way, say, may, may, ray, any word which is with the same pattern you can write here. So next one is hall and ball. So all is the ending pattern here. So call, mall, mall, wall, wall, fall, fall. So next one is NAME, name, GAME, game. AME are the rhyming patterns. So I am going to write CAME, came, FAME, fame, DAME, dame. Next one is pa and la. AW and A are the rhyming pattern here. So words with AW ending are SAW, saw, JW, jaw, RAW, raw. So you may write other rhyming words or words with same pattern here. Next one is choose the incorrect pair. Options are date, dates, lake, lake, gate, gates, cake, cake. So we are going to choose incorrect pair. Date, date. So dates is plural of date and lake, lake is the same word. So this is incorrect, lake, lake. Gate, gates is singular and plural. Cake, cakes is also singular and plural. So next one is give plural for the given words. So here are some singular words and we are making it plural. So duck, ducks, DUCKS. We are just going to put S and it will become plural. Nail, nails, NAILS. So name, names, NAMES, names. So we are going to put S at the end of the words and that will make them plural. Next is make phrases from the given word. So man, pop, game, some of the words are given this cloud and we are going to make phrases from these words. So let's try to make some phrases here. Man, a man, sad, a sad man. So we are going to write a sad man. So let's look for the another one. Pup, pup, a fat pup, a fat pup. So we are going to write a fat pup. While choosing the words to make a new phrase, you must keep in mind that it should be a meaningful phrase. So a bad rat. I have chosen a bad rat. Let's see for next. game day, a day game. So I'm going to write a day game for the next page. Next we will choose a bad, a bad, a bad, a bad, sad day, a bad day. Okay, I will write a sad day, and then I will write a bad day.